good apple tree, we wassail thee.
Wassail!
And hoping thou wilt bear. The Lord does know where we shall be, to be merry another year, to blow well and to bear well, and so merry let us be. Let every man drink up his cup, and health to the apple tree. Wassail the tree!
Wassail!
That they may bear you many a plum and many a pear. For more or less fruits they will bring as you do give them. Wassailing!
Wassail!
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to offer the tree cider to bring about its bounty and its growth, and I will feed the roots of the tree that it may that the tree shall be fecund and produce the munificence of fruit.
Wassail!
Wassail! And the toast represents the bread, which represents the food that will keep us sustained throughout the year. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment I place this bread over the tree, you may also tie your ribbons to the tree.
Wassail!
Fruit in abundance.
No, wait, they're going to get all this crop.